and I forget. Teach me and I may remember. Involve me and I learn. Involvement is that one word that has defined the first month of my MBA journey. And that's the beauty of being a part of one of the top B schools of the nation. However tight the schedule is, however tough the day has been, you will be dragged into each and every activity that is going on around you just to minimize that fear of missing out. And what do you gain in the process besides the sleepless nights? You learn. You learn in a way no one could ever have taught you, and as they rightly say, experience is the best teacher. Our term 1 classes had just started after the stress induction week. On the very same day, we were informed that within the next 10 days, we have to arrive to the campus in phases. With mixed emotions, just as I was gearing up with the packing and preparations, my phone beeped. The committee selection process has started. The very first thought which came to my mind, how am I going to manage the 2 T's, tasks and travel without letting the third T of tension come in between? Out of the 9 committees, we could apply for a maximum of 3. Being a fresher, one thing which I had clear in my mind right from day one was to not let go of any opportunity that comes my way. I forwarded my expressions of interest for being a part of either the Junior Placements Committee or the Junior Students Council or the Junior Cultural Committee, knowing very well that each has its own rigorous and diverse screening process, all to be held simultaneously. But you will never know your limits unless you push yourself to them. This academic year, our batch size has increased, and IIM Amritsar being a staunch believer in quantity with quality, it meant much more competition to be a part of any of the committees. The selection processes were so designed that the ones who survived the 4 to 5 intense elimination rounds were made of steel, strong but malleable to the needs of the institutes. Although the individual processes had uniquely defined tasks, one thing which was common in both of them was they were categorized into either individual or group activities. Now, anyone who is familiar with B schools working know that out here, D stands only and solely for deadlines. Here as well, there was no exception. With term 1 classes having started in full swing, it literally came down to seconds to complete each of the tasks by the end of the day, wherein a compromise with the quality of the effort put meant your name being struck off the list for the next round. So, the situation was somewhat like this. 24 hours of the day that can't be extended, deadlines that can't be ignored, and performance level of the task that can't be negotiated with. Add to it the time clashes and constraints of the other members for the group activities, which further minimize the efficiency. Every task that we completed on time was a hands-on course on time management and instilled a sense of self-belief and self-confidence. The level of anxiousness before the release of each list was unmatchable, and the level of satisfaction after that, congratulations, you have made it to the next round, was unparalleled. Satisfaction was my greatest initiative to take up this 2-week-long journey and put up the same level of enthusiasm throughout. And in the process, unknowingly, we bonded with classmates who, till now, were only just some new names to us. We learned how they work and how to work in tandem with them. We became more supportive of their limitations, more appreciative of their strengths, and more open to accepting new ideas. This experience also acted as a self-exploration and self-revelation. From making video resumes to mock pitches, negotiations to presentations, a lot of first times happened in these few days, and we managed to pull each of these off. From 3 AM group interviews to tense faculty interactions, we learned perseverance, team ethics, and never giving up. From drafting mails while at the airport to multitasking on a whole different level, I started finding joy in accepting these challenges. We didn't understand when Awaaz 5.0, the talent hunt event we had organized for our MBA batchmates, converted from being a cultural committee task into a wholesome and fun-filled evening. The Students' Council task of coming up with an innovative initiative for the institute stopped seeming far-fetched. Also, the Placements Committee task of lead generation was as much unfamiliar as it was engaging. And finally, after surviving through all the eliminators of Placements Committee and Students' Council, the time was here for the elections. Rule: nominate yourself to only one committee, win it, you are in, lose it, adieu. My decision-making skills were once again put to test, and I chose to contest for the Junior Placements Committee. What followed was a whole night full of campaigning, designing posters, framing slogans, and proving my candidature. And then it was for the batch to decide the worthiest 15 out of the 34. 2 days later, I was at a friend's birthday party when suddenly calls started pouring in. It felt surreal. It does feel surreal when your efforts bear fruit, and that realization that the contest is not yet won, rather, it has just begun. The experiences of the selection process were just a trailer, and the lessons learned will be put to taste each day, each minute for the next 20 months to follow, and the Junior Placements Committee membership, a gateway to become a better version of myself every day. Thank you.